Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Wandalee. If you're returning, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the PUNCube Minimal 3-in-1 Portable Laptop Desk. You can see right here. And they were kind enough to send this to me so that I can show you a review. This portable laptop desk is great for college students, high school students, anyone who in their career they have to travel a lot and they do work in cafes or restaurants. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing it, showing you the right way to use it and how versatile it is for those of you who do a lot of work at home or even travel a lot and you have to bring your laptops with you. So as you can see, it has a mouse pad, which is retractable. It slides in and out for your use. So if you don't use a mouse, you can just slide it in. If you do, slide it out. It's also a stand, so it's adjustable. You can put your laptop on and adjust how high you want it. It also works as a clipboard, and it's a magnetic clipboard. It's slim and it's portable. So it's an A4 size, a 0.24 inches of thickness. So you can put it in your purse and carry it anywhere easily. It's fully compatible with a 12-inch to 18-inch laptop. And it's fit for anywhere, so you can use it on your lap, use it if you're lying down on the floor, use it leaning back or at your desk. It's sturdy and durable. It's high-strength fiber material, and it can load up to 90 pounds. It's easy to use, available in 1 second, and it has a powerful magnetic fix. And it's waterproof, which is really great. You don't have to worry about if you're at a cafe or you're out somewhere and you spill your coffee or your drink and it gets on this. No worries for that. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox our PUNCube Minimal 3-in-1 Portable Desktop. I asked for the color gray because it just goes with everything that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Comes in like a little plastic. Go ahead and take it off. All right, so if you turn it this way, it has their nice little logo down here. It feels like leather, but it's not real leather. It's probably like a vegan kind of leather. This is used as a clipboard. You could just lift it up. And I'm gonna put a piece of paper right there. You can use it as a clipboard as well. Now to use it as a mouse holder or a mouse pad, when you flip it around, that same part that you use as a clipboard, you would just pull it up, slide it out, and now you're ready to use it as a mouse pad and a laptop holder. It feels and it looks like real leather. It has these little beveled corners. It has your logo. It has a description, portable laptop desk. And these are the parts here that I'm going to be using to show you how to arrange the laptop on different levels.
Ooh.